Welcome to a fascinating experiment where physics comes alive in the form of a microelectric car. In this project, we only need three simple materials: batteries, magnets, and a piece of copper wire. At first glance, they seem ordinary, but when combined, they create something truly exciting. We begin with three small batteries. They provide the flow of electric current, our main source of energy. Between each battery, we carefully place a strong neodymium magnet. These magnets have a dual purpose. They act as powerful wheels for our tiny car, and they also generate the magnetic field that makes this experiment possible. Finally, we add the copper wire. Notice it's not wrapped or coiled. Instead, it is placed across the batteries and magnets in just the right position. As soon as the wire touches both ends, an electric circuit is completed. Now here's the magic of physics. The current flowing through the copper wire interacts with the magnetic field from the magnets. According to the Lorentz force law, this interaction produces a force that pushes the magnets, and with them, the entire car forward. And just like that, with no engines, no gears, and no complicated electronics, our homemade microelectric car starts to roll. This simple setup is more than just a fun DIY toy. It's a powerful demonstration of electromagnetism in action. The same principles that drive real electric motors, maglev trains, and so much of our modern technology. So next time you see a car powered by electricity, remember, it all comes down to these basic forces: electric current, magnetic fields, and motion. A tiny car, a big lesson in physics.